Hello friends, let's know about the floral formula and floral diagram. Now, if we see here in the screen, I have represented some of the floral formulas and diagram. Before going to the diagram, here I have represented floral formulas. Floral formulas is represented by some symbols. Now, how we find out all this? For this, we have to first describe the plant, its habit, then all the description of the plant is to be made. Vegetative character, root, how the root is, stem is, leaf is, and all other floral character, inflorescence and flower parts. After describing the various part of the plant, then we go to the floral diagram as well as the floral formula. And the floral formula is represented by some symbols which I have given here. If the flower is bracted, then BR. If here K stands for calyx, C for corolla, P for perianth, and A for androecium, G for gynoecium. And if the ovary is superior, then G is underlined, then it is a superior ovary. If there is a underline over the G, then it is inferior ovary. And for male and female, these symbols are used. And if the flower is actinomorphic or zygomorphic, here percentage and percentage for zygomorphic, and this sign for the actinomorphic, plus sign, plus and inside the circle. Fused is indicated by enclosed in the figure with a bracket, and adjacent by a line drawn above the symbol of the floral parts. A floral diagram, it provides all the information of number of parts of the flower, their arrangement, the relation they have with the flower. All this we can know by the floral diagram. The position of the mother axis with respect to the flower is represented by a dot on the top of the floral diagram. There is a calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium drawn in a successive hole, and calyx being the outermost and the gynoecium being in the center. The floral formula show cohesion and adhesion with the parts of the whole and between holes. The floral diagram and floral formula is given here. Find out various floral formula and diagrams of various families. So first we will see floral diagram and family of solanaceae. It is the largest family, commonly called the potato family, and it is widely distributed in tropic, subtropic and even temperate zone. The vegetative character of the solanaceae family is herb, shrub and rarely small trees. The stem is herbaceous, woody, erect, cylindrical, branch and solid. If we see the flower twig or the flower or LS of flower, stem, carpel and floral diagram, as I have mentioned here. The leaves, they are alternate, simple, pinnately compound, exstipulate. Venation is reticulate. The floral character, inflorescence, is solitary, exile, cymose, as in solanum. The flower is bisexual and actinomorphic. The calyx have a sepal of 5 sepals, united, persistent, valvate estivation. Corolla have a petal, 5 petal, united, valvate estivation. The androecium have a stamen, 5 epipetalless. Gynoecium is bicarpellary, syncarpous, ovary superior, bilocular. The placenta is swollen with many ovule, and the fruit is a berry or a capsule shape, and the seed may be endospermous. Here I have mentioned the floral formula for the family Solanaceae. Here an example is given, and we have to know about the economic importance. And many plants belonging to this family are a source of food. For example, tomato, brinjal and potato. Then spices in medicines also it is used. Even ornamental plants, that petunia is also an example of a family Solanaceae. After that we will see the family Liliaceae, which is known as lily family. It is represented by a monocotyledonous plant and it is distributed worldwide. Vegetative character, perennial herb with underground bulb, corn or rhizome are present. The leaf mostly have a basal, alternate, linear, exstipulate with parallel venation. The floral character, inflorescence is solitary and cymose. It is in umbrella shape over a cluster. If we see the flower, it is a bisexual flower and actinomorphic. The perianth is tepal 6 3 plus 3, often united in a tube, and valvate estivation is given. The androecium have a stamen 6, and the gynoecium is tricarpillary, syncarpus and ovary superior, trilocular with many ovule, and exile placentation is present. The capsule are rarely berry, and the seeds are endospermous. The floral formula is given here. The main economic importance of this family is that belong to the family are good ornamental type. For example, many plants of these are ornamental. For example, tulip, and even source of a medicine like aloe vera and vegetable asparagus. These are some of the economic importance of this liliaceae family. Similarly, we will see now next family, that is fabaceae. This family was earlier known as Peplinoideae, and this subfamily is leguminoceae. It is distributed all over the world, and the vegetative character are tree, shrub, herb, and root with root nodes. The stem is erect and climber. The leaves are alternate, pinnately compound and simple. The leaf base is pulvinate and stipular. It consists of a venation or is reticulate. If we see the floral character of this Fabaceae family, then inflorescence is racemose. The flower is bisexual, zygomorphic. The calyx consists of a sepal of 5 chemosepalous imbricate estivation, that is, the sepals are united, and the corolla have 5 petals, polypetalous, peplinoecious, consisting of a posterior standard, 2 lateral wings, 2 anterior one forming a nail, enclosing stamen and pistil, and its estivation is vexillary. The androecium are 10, diadelphous, and anther is dithecous. The gynoecium have a superior ovary. It is monocarpillary, unilocular with many ovules, and the style is single. The fruit is leguminous. The seeds are present one to many and non-endospermic. The floral formula is mentioned here in the diagram. The economic importance of this family is that mainly this family source of pulses like gram, mung, soya bean, edible oil, soya bean and groundnut oil, dye, that is indigo fera, the fibers in fodder also, and ornamental plants such as sweet pea and medicinal mulethi. These are some of the economic importance of this family. So after that we will see the family Malvaceae. Example of malvaceae. Here we see the diagram of China rose, that is Hibiscus rosea sinus. Its habit is typical ornamental shrub of the family. If its leaf is simple, alternate, petiolate, stipulate, ovate, serrate, acute, and the inflorescence is solitary axillary. The flower is imbricated and completely hermaphrodite. The actinomorphic, large and red. These are seen, and apicalyx are 5 to 8 bracteoles surrounding the calyx, forming the apicalyx. The calyx are 5 sepal fused valvate. The corolla have 5 petals, but they are free but adnate to the staminal tube, which are twisted red petal with sinus margin. If we see the androecium, same as that of the other plant, that is abutation. The gynoecium have 5 fused carpal superior ovary, pentalocular, 1 to many ovule in each locule, axile placentation, stylus 5 and long united below and passing through the staminal tube. The stigma have 5 and discoidal. The fruit of this flower is capsule. Here we can see the floral formula of this hibiscus. This was all about the family Malvaceae. Example, hibiscus flower. Importance is that in Malvaceae family flowers like cotton and oils, ornamental plants, timber, medicinal valuing plants are also there in this family. So this was all about today, floral formula and floral diagram. Stay tuned for more videos.